Easy homemade quinoa salad bowl recipe for beginners, affordable and delicious. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we've got a fantastic recipe for you, a homemade quinoa salad bowl that's not only delicious but also super easy to make, perfect for beginners. Plus, it won't break the bank. So, let's dive right in. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our tasty recipes. Now, let's check out the ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup quinoa. 2 cups water. 1 cucumber, diced. 1 bell pepper, any color, chopped. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, half red onion, finely chopped. 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled. 1/4 cup olives, sliced. 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped. 1/4 cup olive oil. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Salt and pepper to taste. Step 1, cooking quinoa. Start by rinsing 1 cup of quinoa under cold water. Then, in a saucepan, combine the quinoa and 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for 15 minutes or until the water is absorbed. Once it's cooked, fluff it with a fork and set it aside to cool. Step 2, chopping vegetables. While the quinoa is cooling, let's chop our veggies. Dice the cucumber, chop the bell pepper, have the cherry tomatoes, finely chop the red onion, and chop up some fresh parsley. The vibrant colors will make your salad not only tasty but visually appealing too. Step 3, assembling the salad. Now that everything is ready, let's assemble our salad. In a large bowl, combine the cooled quinoa, diced cucumber, chopped bell pepper, have cherry tomatoes, finely chopped red onion, crumbled feta cheese, sliced olives, and fresh parsley. Step 4, making the dressing. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper in a small bowl. Drizzle this delicious dressing over the salad ingredients. Step 5, tossing and serving. Give everything a good toss to ensure that the salad is evenly coated with the dressing. And there you have it, our homemade quinoa salad bowl is ready to be served. Here are some benefits of homemade quinoa salad bowl. Rich in nutrients, a homemade quinoa salad bowl is a nutrient powerhouse. Quinoa is packed with protein, fiber, and essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for those looking to boost their nutritional intake. Heart-healthy ingredients. The inclusion of heart-healthy ingredients like olive oil, olives, and tomatoes contribute to a salad that supports cardiovascular health. These ingredients contain monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and vitamins that promote a healthy heart. Weight management. Quinoa is known for its high protein content, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. This can be beneficial for those aiming to manage their weight by reducing overall calorie intake. Balanced meal option. The combination of quinoa, vegetables, and a variety of toppings creates a well-balanced meal. This ensures you get a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals in a single dish. Supports digestive health. The fiber content from quinoa and vegetables promotes healthy digestion. Fiber adds bulk to the stool and helps prevent constipation, supporting a well-functioning digestive system. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. This easy quinoa salad bowl is not only affordable but also bursting with flavors. Perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments what other recipes you'd like to see. Until next time, happy cooking! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Thank you very much, quinoa salad bowl lovers.